You have your brand, you have your brand identity, but do you know the difference between the two? Watch this short video to learn more. So what is the difference between your brand and your brand identity? There can be a lot of confusion and misconception around these 2 points, but when we break them down, the two can easily be distinguished. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like the page, share this video, or tag a friend in the comments section if you think they can benefit from the tips in this video. Let's get into it. So what's the difference between your brand and your brand identity? Your brand is the overarching message that you wish to convey through your products and services, and the message that is at the heart of your business. Your brand identity is your logo, your colors, the visual aesthetic in which your business communicates your brand message. Imagine that your business is actually a small country. Your brand would be the constitution that its founders would have laid down for all to follow in order to ensure its ongoing wealth and security. And your country would then raise a flag, a visual representation that tells everyone who they are and what they stand for. This is the visual identity of the country of the brand. The flag becomes synonymous with the values and the ideas of the brand. So brand equals constitution and logo and identity equals flag. So now that you know the difference, we'd recommend going away and reviewing your outlined own business brand and brand identity, making sure the two are clearly defined within your business and to make sure any of your staff, colleagues or team members are aware of the details of them both. And for all things Racer, head over to our website at racermarketing.co.uk or reach out to us on any of our social channels here. And remember, there's no risk, just reward, guaranteed.